SeaStock is a West Australian-based investment company. We're basically specialising in the research and the commercialisation of Asparagopsis seaweed, which is a native seaweed to the Australian and New Zealand coastline. Our base project is started at the Abrolhos Islands, which is located about 400 kilometres north of Perth in an offshore sort of reef system where the Asparagopsis seaweed there is been growing abundantly in its natural environment. One of the things that we're doing at SeaStock is to basically differentiate ourselves in the market by putting the seaweed into oil immersion. And we call oil immersion is basically putting the biomass into canola oil, and then we infuse the bioactive ingredient, which is called bromoform. And that's the chemical compound that basically reduces the methane in ruminant animal feeds, like in beef cattle and dairy cattle. There's been extensive research to prove up the use of the Asparagopsis bromoform in animal feeds, and that work's been done by CSIRO and James Cook University. And we're really just now leveraging off about 10 years of research to work out how we can now commercialise the production of it into larger scale farms, be it offshore or even onshore cultivation methods as well. We identified multiple sites where we extracted samples of the seaweed, and then we sent those samples to Flinders University to further explore the cultivation methods of offshore cultivation and also the land-based cultivation. It's a really important project from the point of view that the bromoform is highly effective at reducing the methane that cattle burp out, essentially. The research has proven that it's around 90 to 95% effective in reducing the methane emissions, which is a global problem at the moment. Beef producers, dairy producers around the world, large companies that are involved in those production systems are all now looking at how they can reduce their environmental impact